Narayana, 29th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yadha pradiptam jvalanam patangaha visanti nasaya समृद्धवेगाः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकाः तवापि वक्त्राणि समृद्धवेगाः। ॐ Spending lifetime without realizing the ultimate purpose of life and spending lifetime without heading towards attainment of ultimate purpose of life is nothing but heading towards self-destruction. Do not do that. Approach an authentic and authoritative Acharya. Get Narayana mantra. Realize the supremacy of Sri Krishna Paramatma and devote to Sri Krishna Paramatma and attain your ultimate purpose of life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not spend my lifetime without realizing the ultimate purpose of my life. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall approach an Acharya and get Narayana mantra and realize your supremacy and be devoted to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 181st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Ho Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna killed Bakasura and Krishna got out of that danger." Seeing that, Balarama and other friends felt like as if they again became alive. And after that, Parirabhya Nirvrutaha Praniya Vatsan Prajametya Tajjaguhu. They all hugged Krishna, and then they have taken their calves and went back to Vrindavan, started telling what exactly happened to all other people. And in the Vrindavan, everybody talking about Krishna, saying that ఆపదల మీద నా పదలు ఈ పాపని చెంది తొలగే అహోబతాస్య బాలస్య బహవో మృత్యవో భవన్. So many dangers coming to Krishna, and as they come they are also getting over, and Krishna is safely coming out of all the dangers. How it is happening we do not even know, and what kind of animosity these Rakshasas and Krishna has, we do not know. And whatever the way that all these Rakshasas are trying to kill Krishna, just like Nasyanti Agnau Patangavat, as and how an insect thinking that wants to put up the fire and jumps into fire and gets burnt out, just like that all these Rakshasas are coming to kill Krishna, but they are getting killed. Like that, all the people in Vrindavan thinking, and also thinking like this. Sometime back, Garga Mahamuni told us, whatever he said, it is all happening as it is. Aho Brahma Vidam Vacho Na Satyaha Santi Karihi Chit. Garga Mahamuni is such an enlightened person, Brahmaveta. So whatever he said, it is all happening as it is. Krishna, our Krishna is Sakshat Sriman Narayana. We are all so much lucky to be born here. Like that, all the people in Vrindavanam thinking, feeling happy and enjoying, thinking about their fortune. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 29th sloka. Yadha pradiptam jvalanam patangaha visanti nasaya samruddha vegaha tadhaiva nasaya visanti lokaha tavapi vaktrani samruddha vegaha. Yadha pradiptam jvalanam patangaha visanti nasaya samruddha vegaha tadhaiva nasaya visanti lokaha tavapi vaktrani samruddha vegaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.